Hello, everybody. I'm Helen. I'm your instructor for BUS110 Workplace Technologies. I'm bringing you this message from my backyard on a breezy day. So you may hear wind chimes, you may hear the grandkids in the pool, but that's okay. That's me. Welcome to this class. We are going to have some interesting conversations about technology in this course. We're going to be talking right away about the impact of technology on business. We're going to talk about AI, one of our favorite topics to hate. We're going to talk about security. We're going to talk about all kinds of stuff. You will lead some of the discussions by telling me what you want to learn about. Our class begins with our first live session on October 15th. It's a Tuesday, and we will meet at 6 p.m. Pacific time. That's at 7 p.m. Mountain Time, 8 p.m. Central, and 9 p.m. Eastern Time. We have a lot of important dates in this course this term. We've got some holidays, we've got daylight savings time coming to an end, and all of these things might impact the due dates of your assignments, the times of your live sessions, and it may encourage you, I hope it encourages you to get ahead on your learnets, get ahead on your assignments, so that when we have a long holiday like Thanksgiving at the end of November, you are so far caught up that you can enjoy the holiday without guilt or having to do some schoolwork. We also have Halloween in the mix. While it's not an official holiday, I know if you have kids or grandkids, you want to take the day off and you want to spend it with them, or go to their school, or go trick-or-treating, or take pictures. I want you to do that. So get ahead on your learnets, get ahead on your assignments so that you have the time to do that. I hope to see you at our first live session. That's on the 15th of October. Check your announcements, check Zoom meetings, check live events for the exact times and links. I will always send you a text message letting you know that we're about to start and sending the link. So I'll see you soon, and I'm so happy you're in this course.